Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can plant seeds in Icarus. Now I would like to inform you beforehand that this video is pretty much for beginners that are just starting out into the game. And if you don't know how to plant seeds, then this is the video right for you. Now, one of the first things that you're going to need, over on the tech tree, go over to the tier 1 and try to look for the shovel right here. Once you unlock the shovel, you should be able to plant some seeds of your own. Now, the next thing that you're going to need is the seed extractor right here. And from the name of it, it basically extracts seeds from plants so you can use them to farm for your own benefit. Now for the seed extractor, it needs at least 15 pieces of wood, 20 pieces of fiber, 25 pieces of stone, and 10 pieces of charcoal. Now over in my base, I already have a seed extractor right here. Once I'm interacting with it, you can see the recipes over here on the left side. You can see that 3 pieces of corn can make 1 piece of corn seed, and 6 pieces of wheat can make 1 piece of wheat seed. And as you can see, I already have some seeds right here. Now, when you're just starting off over on the tier 1, you can just use a shovel to basically dig a hole on the ground. For example, I'm gonna right click here and right click here. Hold onto your seed on your hotbar and then hover to one of the holes. Press left click and you should have planted the wheat inside. If you are at least level 10, over on the tier 2, you can make the wood crop plot, which can resist tier 2 storms, which can make your plants survive more hazards compared to the simple dirt mound right here. And it's pretty much the same as this one's, as you can just place down a seed and then make sure to water them by using this water skin, which you can make over in tier 2 and over here on the far left side. Just fill it up with water like here on the lake or over on your purification stations, and then just press right click. And that's about it on how to plant seeds in Icarus.